Hi, I'm Dr. Narendra, Surgery Faculty, Next Fellow. Let us see today's question. A 64-year-old woman came with complaints of jaundice and itching. It is associated with pale stools, dark colored urine. There is no significant past medical history. Her blood counts are normal. On examination, gallbladder is palpable and non-tender. What is the likely diagnosis? A. Carcinoma head of pancreas. B. Gallstone in common bile duct. C. Klatskin tumor. And D. Mirichi syndrome. Jaundice, itching, pale stools, and dark colored urine all point to obstructive jaundice. Here, all the four options cause obstructive jaundice. The next clue is gallbladder is palpable. Coming to the options, Klatskin tumor is a type of cholangiocarcinoma at junction of both hepatic ducts. Since it's above the cystic duct, gallbladder is not distended and not palpable. We can rule out Klatskin tumor. In CPD calculi, jaundice is more likely to be painful because the onset of obstruction is acute, causing rapid distension of the bile duct and activation of pain fibers. Gallbladder would have already shriveled in stone disease, so CBD stone is unlikely. Coming to the next option, in Mirichi syndrome, the impacted stone in cystic duct or infundibulum of gallbladder compresses upon the common hepatic duct. Patients present with jaundice, fever, and right upper quadrant pain. So, painless distended gallbladder is unlikely in these patients. Examiner is trying to tell us about Corvizer's law. Palpable non-tender gallbladder is Corvizer's sign. As per Corvizer law, if a gallbladder is palpable in a jaundice patient, it is unlikely to be due to gallstones because stones would have given rise to chronic inflammation and subsequent fibrosis of the gallbladder. So distension happens from distal common bile duct obstruction secondary to peripancreatic malignancies at the head of pancreas, ampulla and distal CBD. So the answer is carcinoma head of pancreas. There is an exception to Corvizer's law. In a double impacted stone with stone in CBD and cystic duct, there is reabsorption of the intraluminal bile salts and secretion of uninfected mucus by the gallbladder epithelium, leading to mucocele of the gallbladder. Thank you.